Good morning, everyone, and welcome to West Grey again. It's a beautiful blue sky Sunday morning, and I got something totally different today. In this small little box, it's a Ryobi 18 volt 1 plus radio, and it's a battery operated radio, but for the price of it, it does really well. I was getting a little tired in the garage and that of not having any music or a podcast or whatever, and I figured, well, there was a deal with Home Depot. If you bought certain products, you get 50% off, or they'd throw in a product, and I got this at a super deal, so why not? So what is it? It's a radio, and it runs off the 18 volt system. It comes with two AAA batteries just to operate the clock, and has the antenna. Also has a USB port. You can use it as a power bank. It has an auxiliary port, so you could strap in your phone and use auxiliary or Bluetooth. So when you look at it there, you see that there's several buttons. One is the clock display button, and below that there is the presets. You can preset up to 10 different channels. Then you go over and there's a switch to switch from your AM, FM, auxiliary, and Bluetooth. And then there's the up and down arrows for the volume and the forward and backwards for the scanning. And it's really good. I put it in the garage. I use one of my very small batteries, and I just turn it on and turn it up. We're down. And power off, and the radio maintains the time. And that's it. It's a great little addition to the workshop, great little addition for out where I don't have any hydro, and I can listen to my podcast, I can listen to the radio, and it's really good. I didn't think how useful it would be, but it really is. Very portable, very small, easy to carry around, doesn't weigh anything. My daughter came up the other day to drop some stuff off, and she saw it, and then she went out and bought one. Ideal because of the Bluetooth. Great for the patio. We had it out in the back deck last night. It was not obtrusive or intrusive. It was great. And yeah, it's and the battery, this is a 1.5 amp battery, very small. I had this radio running for about 6 hours yesterday, and the battery is still, let's turn it on. If you can see, let's turn the volume down a bit. Can you see the battery there? Still pretty high. Okay, turn it off. So there we go. Ryobi radio. Great for the outdoors, great for camping, great for the garage, great for out in the workshop. If I'm building something, a job site maybe. You know, it's not big and bulky, it's not a boom blaster. It's great. Works fine, lasts forever on a battery. Can't say much wrong about it. Okay? So hope you enjoyed it. Pick one up. It's a great little toy. Christmas is coming. Another 6 months, but anyway, birthdays. Great addition to the workshop. Okay? Thanks for watching. See you next time.